Okay, get ready, because for the rest of 2025, the cosmos is putting on an incredible show. And guess what? You've got a front row seat. We're talking stunning eclipses, brilliant meteor showers, the works. We're going to walk through your personal celestial schedule. So, let's get right into it.
Think about it. What if you had a VIP pass to the greatest show in the universe? Seriously. The night sky is this massive theater, and the stars, the planets, the moon, they're the performers. So think of me as your personal guide, here to give you that all-access pass to the absolute best seats in the house.
From August all the way to December, the sky is going to be so busy. We're going to break down exactly what to look for, when you need to be looking, and, the little secrets to getting the best possible view. This is your guide.
Okay, before we jump into the specific dates and events, there are just two fundamental things you need to know that will completely transform your stargazing experience. I'm not kidding. Getting these right is basically half the battle.
All right, first up, let's talk about the moon. It's kind of the director of the whole show. On a new moon, right, the moon is basically invisible to us. That means no natural light pollution. That is your prime time. That's when you see faint stars, the Milky Way, all that good stuff. Now, a full moon, beautiful, right? But it's also like a giant spotlight in the sky, washing everything else out. So here's the key takeaway, the rule of thumb. New moons are for stargazing, full moons, perfect for those amazing moonlit hikes.
And this is the golden rule. It doesn't matter what you're trying to see, you've got to find a dark spot. The glow from our cities can hide, get this, up to 90% of the stars. Just getting away from that glow, even a short drive out of town, is going to reveal a sky you might not have known was even there. It's a total game changer.
Okay, so with those basics down, let's zoom in on our closest celestial neighbor. The moon has its own special events lined up for us, including 3 supermoons and one absolutely unmissable total eclipse.
So, what exactly is a supermoon? It's actually pretty simple. It's just a full moon that happens to be at the closest point to Earth in its orbit. That makes it look just a little bit bigger and a little bit brighter than usual. And we've got 3 of them coming up this fall, one each in October, November, and December. Mark your calendars. But, supermoons are great, but the real lunar showstopper of the year, it's something way more dramatic. We're talking about an event that has fascinated and captivated cultures for thousands of years.
On September 7th, we get a total lunar eclipse. So here's what happens. It's like cosmic clockwork. The Earth moves perfectly between the sun and the full moon. When it does that, it casts its deep central shadow, that's called the umbra, right onto the moon's surface. But, and this is the cool part, some sunlight still squeaks through Earth's atmosphere, and our atmosphere filters it, painting the moon this spectacular reddish color. That's how we get that famous blood moon nickname. Now, if you're in the western half of Australia, you are in luck. You'll have the absolute best view of this incredible sight.
All right, from the slow, graceful dance of an eclipse, we're going to pivot to the fast and furious display of meteor showers. Seriously, think of these as nature's own cosmic fireworks show, and you've got a front row seat.
So here's your scorecard for the major showers coming up. The famous Perseids in August, they're powerful for sure, but a bright moon is going to interfere and wash out the fainter meteors this year. A bit of a bummer. Now, for ideal conditions, you want to look to the Leonids in November. They're happening under a perfect dark new moon. But the undisputed king of 2025, no question, it's the Geminid meteor shower in mid-December. That's the main event.
120. Yeah, you heard that right. 120 shooting stars per hour. I mean, under perfect dark sky conditions, that's potentially 2 shooting stars every single minute. The Geminids are also known for being super bright and intensely colored. This is the can't-miss meteor shower of the year. Seriously.
And that brings us to maybe the most important tip for watching any meteor shower. Patience. Don't just pop outside for 5 minutes and expect to see a show. It doesn't work that way. Your eyes need at least 20 minutes to fully adapt to the dark. So grab a blanket, maybe a warm drink, lie back, and just wait. Give it time. The show will come to you, I promise.
Okay, So while meteors offer those fleeting streaks of light, the planets, they offer a different kind of reward. It's this steady, serene presence in the sky. And this year gives us some fantastic opportunities to spot the ring giant, Saturn, and that elusive little planet, Mercury.
So, on September 21st, Saturn is going to be in opposition. What does that mean? It just means Earth is passing directly between Saturn and the Sun. This is when Saturn is at its closest and brightest in our sky. To your naked eye, it'll just look like a steady, bright, kind of yellowish star. But, and this is cool, if you have even a small telescope, you'll be able to see its magnificent rings. It's totally worth it.
Mercury. Mercury is trickier. It's a tough one to spot because it always hugs so close to the Sun. The best time to see it is during what's called its greatest elongation. That's when it pops out just far enough from the Sun's glare for us to get a peek. You'll have a few chances to spot it low on the horizon. Look for it before sunrise in August and December, or just after sunset in October. Catching it is a real challenge, but man is it rewarding when you do.
Phew! So we've covered a lot of ground, or I guess a lot of sky. Let's bring it all together with a really simple checklist to make sure you're ready for your next cosmic adventure.
Okay, let's boil it all down. This checklist right here, this is your key to an unforgettable night. First, escaping city lights is totally non-negotiable. You have to do it. Second, timing your viewing with the moon phases, it makes all the difference. And when it comes to meteor showers, remember, patience really pays off. But above all, if you do one thing, make a plan for the Geminids in December. Trust me, it's the one you'll be talking about all year.
So there you have it. It's literally an invitation from the cosmos. A chance to just step outside, look up, and connect with something truly vast and awe-inspiring. The universe is putting on a show. The only question left is, will you be watching?